When it comes to flooring choices, there are a lot of options out there and a lot to consider. It can all feel a bit overwhelming, but fear not. Today we are going to give you the lowdown on some of the best flooring options for different areas around the house, starting with the bedroom. The bedroom, your sanctuary, your escape away from the hectic craziness downstairs. This is where you can really let your creativity fly, as this room doesn't tend to throw up as many considerations as other rooms in the house. It's not as busy as other areas, and the risk of spillages is a lot lower, so you can really go wild with those choices. Two of the most popular choices for the bedroom are real wood and carpet, and both of these have their own benefits. Real wood flooring has a unique, luxurious feel to it and can even add value to your home. If cared for well, it can last a lifetime. Solid is 100% real wood throughout. Each plank is unique, giving your floor an individual look. Sustainably sourced solid wood is the original, classic real wood floor. Or you could opt for engineered wood. Engineered wood, while still real, is made up of a variety of different woods with a real wood topper or layer, built for warmth and compatible with some underfloor heating. You can create a cozy escape in your bedroom to start and end your day with complete luxury. Speaking of cozy, if you're looking for something softer, carpet could be a good option too. Top tip. Carpet is an especially popular choice for kids' rooms, providing a softer environment for little knees for them to grow and play, as well as decreasing the risk of trips and bumps. Carpet comes in a variety of stain-resistant options for any little accidents as well. Carpet provides warmth, comfort and softness with a wide range of styles and colours, perfect for that bedroom feeling. However, there are still a few more considerations to bear in mind when choosing flooring for the bedroom. A consideration for a lot of people when thinking about real wood options is the worry of scratching the floor. Luckily, we have a variety of protective options and maintenance advice to help you out. For example, a popular method is picking a thicker wooden flooring so that it can be sanded back and retreated for longevity. Real wood also comes in a variety of finishes with varying levels of scratch protection. Lacquered finishes sit on top of the wood and protects against scratches. Great for kids and pets. Whilst oiled finishes seep into the wood for long-lasting protection. With real wood flooring, we have options for both the DIYers and the pros. Our Click engineered wood flooring allows you to do it yourself, helping save on cost. And you still get some of the great bonuses of real wood, such as a variety of styles, finishes, the ability to sand back and retreat. Plus, you can lay it over some underfloor heating systems too. However, when it comes to solid wood flooring, we recommend using a professional for the best results. So, to recap, both real wood and carpet make great choices for the bedroom. Use solid wood to give your room that unique, luxurious feel, engineered wood for a similar feeling with the added benefit of fitting it yourself. And for something super cozy, we recommend carpet. As well as being great options for the bedroom, both of these choices also make great options for the living room, the hub of the home, the place where you entertain. You need something tough wearing, but also something to provide that warm, cozy feel to the room for relaxing at the end of the day, reading, watching telly, catching up with friends, and doing homework with the kids. And the more versatile you need your living room to be, equally, the more versatile you'll need your flooring to be. This is where laminate and vinyl come in. Laminate and vinyl offer a similar look to real wood, combined with the practicalities of modern flooring. The bathroom, a slippery decision for sure. One minute your very own Zen spa and the next a chaotic mess of suds and water. It makes this one of the trickier rooms in the house to buy for, not to mention the number of variables to consider, such as humidity and the risk of warping. So let's break down the need to know factors and dive in to see what's available. When it comes to bathroom flooring, the main contenders are luxury vinyl, sheet vinyl and laminate, and all three have their advantages. Let's have a look. Our sheet vinyl floors are perfect for your smaller bathrooms, en-suites or cloakrooms, as they're splash proof. A great thing about sheet vinyl is that it can be loose laid, which is going to be ideal for DIY. It also comes on a roll and in a variety of different patterns, colours and wood and stone effects. When you're looking to decorate those guest areas, such as en-suites and downstairs loos, sheet vinyl is arguably going to be more ideal for this, as you may wish to opt for more luxury in your main bathroom instead. Our luxury glue-down vinyl, rigid core vinyl and click vinyl floors are renowned for their 100% waterproof properties, so they make the perfect candidates for your bathroom renovations. You won't have to worry about any unwanted warping with luxury glue-down vinyl, as it's fully bonded to the floor, so you can be sure it's not going anywhere. The same goes for our own brand of rigid core vinyl, which will neither warp nor bow, even in the sunniest of spaces. All in all, vinyl flooring is highly versatile and is an excellent choice for your bathroom flooring needs. Our flooring range comes in a wide variety of styles, colours and effects, including wood, stone and marble with plank, herringbone and chevron designs. It's also fully compatible with underfloor heating. Laminate, available in a huge range of wood, tile and stone tile looks to help you get that exact look you're after in your home. Laminate flooring uses beautifully detailed printed designs and a textured resin surface to recreate the look of the natural material. We also have a suitable range of water-resistant laminate floors, ideal for your bathroom. Modern laminate offers impressive authenticity, combined with a highly practical floor that's incredibly easy to care for. What's more, utilising a click system makes for a hassle-free installation. Perfect for a quick transformation of any room. Some floors even come with attached underlay, saving you time and money. Plus, our laminate range is underfloor heating compatible as well. It comes in a variety of colours, styles and types of flooring, such as plank, herringbone and chevron. The main consideration with the bathroom is the water-resistant and waterproof capabilities of your chosen flooring. Bear in mind that while both make great options for the bathroom, laminate and sheet vinyl offer water-resistant protection, but only luxury vinyl and luxury rigid core vinyl are 100% waterproof, offering complete protection. Let's recap. Luxury vinyl is 100% waterproof. It's cost-effective, DIY friendly, and it's warmer underfoot. It's also suitable for underfloor heating, as well as being durable and slip resistant. Perfect for everything from suds to bubbles, pets to kids, spills and slips. Laminate is DIY friendly, comes in a wide variety of colours and styles. It's easy to clean, pet friendly and suitable for underfloor heating. However, our water-resistant options are not completely waterproof, and for this reason, I would suggest vinyl flooring for the bathroom for that added peace of mind. Sheet vinyl in particular is the champion for those smaller spaces, like en-suites, utilities and downstairs loos. The kitchen, a melting pot of creativity, chaos, spillages, culinary triumphs and woes. Often the liveliest room in the house and the heart of the home. Your flooring will need to be up to the task and require a bit more durability than, say, the bedroom or dining room. Let's see what ingredients we need for the perfect floor for the kitchen. We're often asked what's the best flooring to prevent the everyday wear and tear in the kitchen, caused by kids and pets and all-round general use. And for us, laminate is king. It's the perfect choice for busy areas and it's hard wearing and easy to clean. So no worrying about late night parties and damaging your kitchen. Laminate is also a budget friendly option, but that won't mean you have to compromise on style. So, if you love the look and texture of wood or stone, but you need something a bit more practical, then laminate flooring is the one for you. Laminate is both incredibly easy to install and look after, making it ideal if you do have small feet or paws running around, and with plenty of colour, finishes and thicknesses available, you'll sport for choice. The printed design layer of laminate flooring features an authentically detailed reproduction of wood or stone. This is sandwiched beneath the resin top layer, a protective, clear finish which guards it from daily wear and tear. There are a lot of things to consider when it comes to the kitchen, from the water, heat, the cooking and smells. A kitchen needs to be functional yet sociable, so durability is important. The kitchen goes through a lot, years of spillages, scratches and dropped mugs, so it's important that you choose a floor suited to your lifestyle. The thickness of the flooring will depend on the level of durability that you need. We stock a vast range of thicknesses that come with a durability rating of AC3 to AC5, so you'll be sure to find a floor to suit your needs. The AC rating is a way of determining suitability, so you might choose an AC3 rating for your bedroom, where it's quieter, and an AC5 rating for a busy area of your home, like the kitchen. One big consideration for the kitchen as well as the dining room is sunlight, as a lot of kitchens and dining rooms, particularly open plan, have quite large windows. So it's important to be mindful of sun damage. This is mostly caused by UV light hitting the floor for an extended period of time and can change the colour of your flooring. Both laminate and wood can be affected by sun damage if not properly treated, so it's important when picking flooring for a room that catches a lot of sunlight that you think carefully over your choices. Whether choosing a UV finish for your floor or picking a wood that you can sand back and retreat. The look of the laminate floor is dependent on the printed layer, meaning that any wood or stone look is possible in areas that it may not have been before. With such a wide range available, from rustic natural oak looks to contemporary grey and white finishes, laminate can make a great addition to your home, no matter what your interior style. If you're looking for a laminate floor that provides character and a traditional feel, then consider a design with lots of colour variation and a pronounced bevel between each plank. For a more contemporary look, go for a consistent tone and a less defined bevel, or none between each plank. And for that extra luxury, consider an underfloor heating compatible option. Laminate also makes a great choice for the dining room as well, particularly if you're looking at laying flooring in an open plan area. Whether you're hosting a party of 12 and need something tough, or running around after little ones, cleaning up spills, laminate is up to the task. The dining room is a room for everyone, the entire family, including the pets. So the durability of the floor is key. If your dining room is a more formal setting that's only used for those special occasions, we'd suggest an engineered or solid wood flooring to add that extra something special. However, if your dinner parties are more party than dinner, we'd recommend a more versatile floor, like laminate or luxury vinyl, combining style with practicality. As mentioned, it's important that you consider what kitchen flooring is best suited to your lifestyle. If yours is the type of home where a furry friend is coming in and out from the garden throughout the day, you might want to consider a luxury vinyl. This offers you the same aesthetic appeal as laminate, but with the added benefit of being 100% waterproof, meaning any accidents or spillages won't ruin your floor. It's also easy to clean, making it the #1 pet-friendly choice. Be aware though that you may need a professional to fit the flooring if opting for glue-down vinyl, which requires adhesive to be fixed to the subfloor. Novice DIYers could try their hand at the click-down vinyl flooring though. Or it might be that you want to opt for the classic luxury look of real wood. If you are going to go with engineered wood, it's best that you invest in specialist engineered wood aftercare kits to ensure you're getting the most from your flooring. You will also need to be on top of mopping up any spills and splashes quickly in order to best protect your floor. Let's have a look at the overall benefits of these materials. The stairs, the area of your home with people running up and down all day. Choose the wrong flooring and you'll be replacing it faster than you can say underlay. If you're thinking of making a change and looking to spruce up your stairs, then carpet is well worthy of consideration. Your hall and stairs are people's first impression when they enter your home. Transitioning from a public to a private space, it's important to look at it as a room, not a corridor. Therefore, before we look at choosing the type of carpet you'll need, we first need to understand carpet piles. The pile of a carpet describes its individual fibres. These can be looped, where the fibres loop into the backing material, cut where they're cut at the top, and twist where the fibres are cut and twisted to add durability and a touch of softness. Or deep Saxony, where the fibres are longer and thicker for a softer, more luxurious feel. The best option for a staircase is the twist fibres. The key here is practicality. Whilst the twist fibre will still give you that nice smooth surface, it's going to be a great durable choice for those not wanting footprints to show. You might also consider a loop pile carpet, which is just as hard wearing and equally practical. The loop option is typically the budget option of the three fibres and is going to make for a great choice on stairs. However, loop carpets are not pet friendly as their claws can get stuck in the loops, so if you've got little paws running up and down the house, then it's probably not going to be the one for you. Laying carpet is typically best left to the professionals, who will securely attach your new flooring to the subfloor with the use of carpet grippers. Once your new carpet has been laid, you're going to want to stay on top of the maintenance, particularly on staircases. You can mainly do this with frequent vacuuming, but investing in a professional clean every once in a while will leave things looking even better. Don't forget to use some natural dirt barriers as well, such as doormats. Just following these simple steps will ensure you're rewarded with a longer lasting carpet for your home. Carpet also makes a brilliant option for hallways as well, given that they see as much action as the stairs. However, if you want to mix things up a bit, you do have some real wood options at your disposal. It's easily maintained as well as giving you that classic, elegant look. There we have it. Hopefully that gives you a better idea of what flooring will best suit the rooms of your home. And don't forget your accessories for the perfect finishes and touches. See you next time.